Hi everyone, Fox 61 Chief Meteorologist Rachel Frank here on the Weather Watch. Warm, wet and windy heading into your Saturday, but no weather issues out there for us tonight. Overnight lows dropping back into the 30s. Look at these highs for tomorrow. It's a shame we don't have some sunshine to go along with it to really enjoy. The steadiest rain will be in the morning through about midday. I'll show you what we're talking about here. So around daybreak, there could be a light kind of scattered shower out there, but the steadiest rain will arrive around 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, depending on where you live. And it comes down at a pretty good clip for a while. This is lunchtime and it's raining corner to corner across the state. By about 2 or 3 o'clock, though, it looks like the steadiest rain is already over. There could be a light leftover scattered shower that comes through in the early evening, but not everybody will get that kind of second follow-up round. Let's talk about winds. They won't be quite as blustery or as strong as they were on Thursday when we had another round of rain and wind, but we are still thinking that we could see wind gusts between 30 to 40 miles per hour. Those winds will be out of the south for most of the event, but they will switch more westerly after that final front moves through, heading into Saturday evening. Along the shoreline southeastern Connecticut, there could be an isolated gust up to 45 miles per hour. So holiday decorations, if you put them up early this year, might be in jeopardy of kind of falling off the house. So one thing that you might want to kind of take stock of before this arrives on Saturday. But Sunday, you can put them back up again. High temperatures will climb into the low to mid 40s. Obviously going to be the pick of the weekend. Rain returns for Tuesday into Wednesday of next week, and to go along with it, another boost in the numbers. Highs climbing into the 50s and another chance for showers along with cooler temperatures as we head towards this time next week. Have a great weekend.